Hi, this is a customer, and I'm here to do the furnace cleaning check, and I just wanted to let you guys know that she has something to say about us.
I was with a different company and not happy with, and I decided to take a chance and call Harmonic. And Jason, who was with a different company that I know of, has come and totally professional, perfect service, and I recommend anyone to call Harmonic. It was an amazing experience, so thanks.
If you did like this video testimonial, you can call us at 1-800-350-4822, 1-800-350-HVAC.
Like and follow our TikTok on
Harmonic.HVAC
and Instagram at Harmonic Home Services.